What's up everyone, and welcome back to another Supreme lookbook. This is Supreme Week 10. So for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions at the end, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So we are going to start off by talking about some of the pieces I picked up in store for Supreme Week 10. As you know, this was a week for Timberland, as well as some other artists such as Lady Pink. So we're going to dive into the items I picked up. Then we're going to talk about sellout times for what sold out the fastest online today. And then we're going to talk a little bit about resale to conclude it. All right, let's jump right into the items that I picked up. All right, so starting with this sweatshirt. So I got the Timberland sweatshirt in this beige color scheme, and I'm so excited because it is hoodie weather right now in New York, plus actually an additional layer. It's pretty cold out. It's around 40 degrees today. And I think that they did an impeccable job. We've got this really cool patch here with the Timberland Supreme on the back. Little Timberland logo here, but I would say the most dramatic part of the sweatshirt is actually the back side, where you can see that dual branding as well on the back there. Pretty vivid. But definitely, you know, you're getting the bang for your buck. This is really high quality. This is like a massive patch that they actually put on the back there and sewed it on, and it's also got some pieces that are embroidered. But overall, I'm obsessed with this color. I think I'm going to be rocking this all fall winter just because, again, I'm going for more monochromatic colors as we're reaching into the fall season. But this is also a really thick, high quality sweatshirt. Little bum that they didn't drop a Timberland collab boot. As you guys know, I did a Timberland boot a couple seasons ago, so definitely go back, check out the video if you haven't seen it already. But I'm pretty impressed with the quality on this.
Left from the hood, then you can't go back. Trained in the ways of the ancient facts. Blazing the pace with the trees all stacked. Making the waves push people back. Push people back. Late to the stage they come. Papers to blaze the punk. Police on the beats we run. High rise, you're not equal chunk. I'm above, you're below us all. No love in the doja fools. Utilize my golden tool. No repentance is overdue. If you're in the block or the whip then raise up a hand or a lighter. Murderous phrases, I'm hyper. Making my way through the night just. If you're in a block or a whip just. Raise up a hand and a lighter. Murderous phrases, I'm hyper. Making my way through the night just. Left from the hood and you can't go back. Trained in the ways of the ancient fact. Blazing the pace with the trees all stacked. Making the waves push people back. People back. Hit the party, stance is yoga. Really twisted, far from sober. Overdosed, rum and coca. Going loca, showing no love. Drop with the party's wave. Solo dude, I don't move for brains. Got your wifey in a state. Pulled up looking like I made a paint to this crazy late. Kick it with the vampire. Slang higher, roll with the witty finesse. Like Super T. Dude said he's the best, well it's news to me. Super mean. Ride on the rhythm, I cruise the beat. She starts off when I don't usually. But I mate, if you're in the block or the whip then raise up a hand or a lighter. Murderous phrases, I'm hyper. Making my way through the night just. If you're in a block or a whip just. Raise up a hand and a lighter. Murderous phrases, I'm hyper. Making my way through the night just.
So for the next item, or items, Lady Pink is the graffiti artist who actually had done this artwork, and this was actually part of Keith Haring's artwork as well. So this was pretty pricey, around $164,000 the artwork was going for. But I had to have this. This is bringing me back to memory lane of what it used to be like in the Lower East Side in New York, which it was strippers. And it also kind of reminds me of Pretty Woman in a strange, weird way, because she's wearing that red. I don't know why. But Vivian Ward. But anyways, I wanted to get the collection because I feel like these decks need to be as one. I feel like they're kind of lonely without each other, but I really love the graffiti artwork that Lady Pink did with each of these, and this was actually part of the Super Sport Camaro collection. As you can see, I believe this is a Camaro here. You can't really see the full card. I feel like they need to actually extend this piece out more to show the Camaro, but we've got the girls. Obviously, these are hookers. And you know, it all just works really well together, and I just love the colors and the graphics and how the graffiti art just really pops off of these decks. All right, so the last item, I got the Swiss Advance knife, and this knife is actually really cool because it's extremely thin, high quality, but I love how insanely thin this is. I just want to give you guys like an idea of how thin this knife is. So let's just kind of pull it apart so you can kind of see what we've got going on here. Look how cool that is. And I got this in the red. This also came in a black colorway. Just felt like going for red this time around, but pretty stoked about this. It's also got a little chain, so if you want to hang this on a keychain as well, you've got that option. But nice little Swiss Army pocket knife here. All right, so now let's jump into sellout times and talk about the pieces that sold out the fastest. Didn't go for anything online. I just kind of stuck to what I could get in store, but the Lafayette reflective down jacket seemed to do very well online today. That went in 7.1 seconds for the multicolor and small, followed by the medium and large, again in 8 and then 9 seconds. The next item to go the fastest was the reversible ripstop jacket, and that's the Supreme Timberland jacket in black and an XL. That went 10 seconds. Then the leather 5-pocket jeans went in 10 in a size 34, followed by the leather shirt in pink, and then the Lafayette reflective jacket in multicolor in XL, followed by the leather shirt in 13 seconds, and then the Supreme Timberland hooded sweatshirt in purple in a size small went 45 seconds, followed by the reversible ripstop jacket in black. So definitely a mixture of items that went quick today. Looks like the Lafayette reflective down jacket was the most popular in that multicolorway, followed by a few of the Timberland Supreme pieces. All right, now let's conclude with how these items are doing on the resale market. All right, so starting with the hoodie, this went for $168, and currently it's going between $210 on the lower end to $300 depending on your size. The decks as a set are going for around $1,000, but these retailed at $60 a piece. And there you have it. That's it for the resale on these pieces. Thanks again, everybody, for tuning in to a Supreme Lookbook. If you're new here today, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, check out that join button for amazing membership perks, as well as an amazing merch store. That's it for this episode. My name's Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next one.